1. 1929 Ford Aspire Model A. Price: $26,500. Located: Barberville, Kentucky. This 1929 Ford Aspire Model A presents a striking custom hot rod build that blends classic styling with modern performance upgrades. Built with an all-steel body, this unique suicide-style model stands out with its bold red exterior paired with a clean white interior accented by red stitching, offering a strong visual contrast that immediately grabs attention. Under the hood, it is powered by a robust Ford 408 engine paired with a C6 automatic transmission, delivering strong and reliable performance both on the street and at shows. The drivetrain setup includes a narrowed Ford 9-inch rear end, ensuring durability and improved traction, while front disc brakes enhance stopping power and overall safety. The stance is aggressive yet balanced, featuring wide 15 by 14 US steel wheels in the rear and slimmer 15 by 4 wheels up front, giving it that classic hot rod posture. This build is designed to be both driver-friendly and comfortable, with a spacious interior often described as big boy-friendly, making it practical for extended cruising. With low miles on the build and a clean presentation throughout, this vehicle is ideal for enthusiasts seeking a turnkey hot rod with personality. It runs strong, drives smoothly, and offers a great opportunity for collectors or anyone wanting a standout classic with modern muscle and timeless appeal. 2. 1937 GMC Ratrod. Price: $9,500. Located: Marengo, Illinois. This 1937 GMC Ratrod pickup is a one-of-a-kind custom build that perfectly captures the raw and rugged essence of classic rat rod culture. Featuring an original steel cab, this truck maintains its vintage authenticity while incorporating carefully selected performance upgrades. Under the hood sits a dependable 235 inline-six engine paired with a T5 manual transmission, delivering a balanced combination of classic power and modern drivability. The rear end is geared at 3.08, making it suitable for both cruising and light performance use. The build includes a custom stainless steel intake and headers, along with a dual single carb setup that enhances engine performance and gives it a distinctive sound. Inside, the truck is equipped with a 6-point roll cage, adding both safety and a race-inspired aesthetic. The interior has been refreshed with additional cushioning for comfort during longer drives, while unique touches such as vintage military aircraft seatbelts and a rear center light sourced from a 1950 school bus add character and originality. Rolling on 1-year-old Coker Whitewall tires and supported by a new battery, this truck runs strong and consistently draws attention wherever it goes. It is a true show winner, built with passion and creativity, making it ideal for collectors or enthusiasts looking for something truly different. 3. 1932 Ford 3-Window Coupe. Price: $43,000. Located: Middlebury, Indiana. This 1932 Ford 3-Window Coupe is a powerful hot rod that combines classic styling with serious performance capabilities. Built with a fiberglass body, the car maintains the iconic look of the early Ford coupe while benefiting from reduced weight and improved efficiency. At its heart is a massive 540 cubic inch big block engine, rebuilt just 2 years ago, delivering approximately 700 horsepower. This level of performance ensures thrilling acceleration and a driving experience that is both aggressive and exhilarating. The vehicle is equipped with an automatic transmission and comes with 2 sets of rear tires, including standard tread tires and slicks, allowing the owner to easily switch between street driving and track-focused setups. A metal hood is also included, giving flexibility in appearance and function depending on preference. The car runs strong, starts reliably, and offers impressive power on demand. While not a perfect show car, it presents well and cleans up nicely, making it suitable for both casual cruising and car events. With a clean title in hand and a solid overall build, this hot rod is ideal for enthusiasts seeking high horsepower in a classic package that stands out both visually and mechanically. 4. 1936 Ford Hot Rod. Price: $15,000. Located: Park Forest, Illinois. This 1936 Ford Hot Rod offers a unique opportunity to own a classic vehicle that blends vintage charm with modern performance upgrades. Powered by a reliable 350 small block engine, it delivers strong and consistent power, making it enjoyable for both casual drives and weekend outings. The engine is paired with a new 400 automatic transmission, ensuring smooth shifting and dependable performance on the road. The drivetrain is further enhanced by a Ford 9-inch Yukon rear end, known for its durability and ability to handle increased power. This setup provides confidence whether cruising through town or heading out on longer drives. The car has been restored with attention to detail, maintaining its classic appearance while incorporating modern mechanical improvements. Beyond its performance, this vehicle stands out as both a hobby car and a showpiece. Its timeless design and strong presence make it a conversation starter at car meets and events. The driving experience is equally rewarding, offering a blend of nostalgia and modern capability every time the engine starts. This hot rod is ideal for enthusiasts looking for an affordable entry into the classic car world, with a vehicle that is ready to drive and enjoy. It represents a balance of style, performance, and value in a classic package. 5. 1940 GMC 1500 regular cab short bed. Price: $15,000. Located: Louisville, Kentucky. This 1940 GMC 1500 regular cab short bed is a bold rat rod style pickup that blends vintage truck heritage with aggressive modern performance upgrades. Built to stand out, this custom truck features a rugged exterior finished in black, giving it a tough and intimidating presence on the road. Under the hood, it is powered by a supercharged 350 small block engine, delivering strong horsepower and impressive throttle response, making it a thrilling vehicle to drive. The truck benefits from a fully updated front end along with brand new tires and wheels, ensuring improved handling and road stability. With only around 300 miles reported on the build, the mechanical components remain fresh and ready for continued use. The automatic transmission allows for smooth driving, making it suitable for both cruising and casual street performance. This rat rod is not just about power, but also about personality. Its raw design and custom setup make it a true head-turner at shows or on the street. Whether you are looking for a weekend cruiser or a unique addition to a collection, this GMC delivers both style and performance. It represents a solid opportunity to own a distinctive classic truck with modern muscle and undeniable attitude. 6. 1934 Ford 5-window hot rod. Price: $40,000. Located: Adolphus, Kentucky. This 1934 Ford 5-window hot rod is a classic street rod that combines timeless design with dependable modern performance. Featuring a mix of fiberglass and steel body components, this build maintains the iconic 1934 Ford look while benefiting from lighter materials and improved durability. The exterior presents a clean black finish that complements its old-school hot rod styling. Power comes from a 5.7-liter Chevrolet V8 engine paired with a TH350 automatic transmission, offering smooth and reliable performance. The drivetrain is supported by a 9-inch rear differential and a chrome drop front straight axle setup, providing both strength and a traditional hot rod stance. This combination ensures the car runs and drives well, making it ideal for cruising or attending car events. Despite having a rebuilt title due to minor past water exposure, the vehicle has been carefully inspected, with no damage affecting the engine or transmission. It performs strongly and remains mechanically sound. The seller also offers flexibility with different wheel options, allowing customization to suit personal taste. This hot rod is a great choice for enthusiasts seeking a stylish, dependable, and classic vehicle with authentic character and proven drivability. 7. 1935 Chevrolet Standard. Price: $45,000. Located: Crestwood, Kentucky. This 1935 Chevrolet Standard is a beautifully restored classic that showcases a perfect blend of originality and modern enhancements. Built with a steel body and complemented by fiberglass fenders, this car has undergone a comprehensive restoration that includes a strengthened frame and upgraded structural components for improved durability and performance. Under the hood, it features a 383 cubic inch Chevrolet Stroker engine with approximately 3,000 miles since completion. This powerful setup is paired with a 700 R4 automatic transmission, delivering smooth shifting and reliable highway performance. The drivetrain is further supported by a rear end with 3.50 gears, providing a balanced combination of acceleration and cruising capability. The vehicle is equipped with a Fatman front end and front disc brakes, ensuring improved handling and stopping power compared to its original configuration. Inside, the car includes a custom interior with added space, modern wiring, and a functional trunk area, making it both practical and comfortable. With a clean title and strong overall condition, this Chevrolet runs and drives great. It is an excellent choice for collectors or enthusiasts looking for a high-quality classic car that offers both performance and timeless appeal. 8. 1935 Ford two-door slantback. Price: $14,500. Located: Rogersville, Tennessee. This 1935 Ford two-door slantback is a unique street rod project that combines original character with a solid foundation of modern upgrades already completed. Retaining much of its original paint, the car carries an authentic vintage look that sets it apart from heavily restored builds. Under the hood sits a newly rebuilt 350 small block engine paired with a 700 R4 automatic transmission, offering a reliable and powerful drivetrain ready for further refinement. The chassis has been significantly upgraded, including an 8-inch rear end with a parallel spring suspension system, a new custom drive shaft, and a Super Bell drop axle with hairpins. Power disc brakes and a Vega steering box with cross-steer setup improve handling and braking performance, making it safer and more enjoyable to drive once completed. The vehicle also includes a new aluminum radiator, gas tank, and updated wiring, with all lights and turn signals already functioning properly. Inside, the car features a partially completed custom interior with leather seating, including modern bucket seats. While it still requires glass installation, roof insert work, and final interior finishing, the majority of the hard work has already been done. This makes it an excellent opportunity for enthusiasts looking to finish and personalize a standout classic. 9. 1932 Chevrolet pickup truck. Price: $27,000. Located: Ringgold, Georgia. This 1932 Chevrolet pickup truck is a well-built classic that combines originality with modern upgrades, making it both stylish and highly functional. Unlike many replicas, this truck is an original steel build rather than a fiberglass kit, adding significant value and authenticity. Finished in a bold red exterior with a clean black interior, it delivers a timeless appearance that stands out at shows and on the road. Power comes from a 355 cubic inch engine that runs on pump gas, providing a strong and reliable performance suitable for regular driving. The truck is equipped with an automatic transmission and features power windows for added convenience. A new front disc brake setup enhances stopping power, while a recently installed carburetor ensures smooth engine operation. Additional upgrades include new Riddler wheels, modern Dolphin gauges, and a well-maintained fuel system. The truck has been carefully stored in a climate-controlled environment, preserving its condition and overall quality. With low mileage on the build and excellent mechanical health, it runs and drives exceptionally well. This classic pickup offers a rare opportunity to own a true steel-bodied hot rod that blends vintage charm with modern comfort and performance, making it ideal for collectors or enthusiasts seeking a dependable and eye-catching vehicle. 10. 1936 Dodge Sedan. Price: $22,500. Located: St. Charles, Missouri. This 1936 Dodge Sedan is a well-maintained classic that blends vintage styling with modern comfort and drivability. Featuring a 4-door configuration, this vehicle offers practicality while still maintaining the timeless look of pre-war American automobiles. Finished in a clean blue exterior with a complementary gray interior, it presents a balanced and elegant appearance suitable for both casual cruising and classic car events. Under the hood, the sedan is powered by a dependable 318 engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering smooth and reliable performance. The addition of power steering and power disc brakes significantly improves handling and braking, making the car easier and safer to drive compared to its original configuration. A Fatman front end upgrade further enhances ride quality and steering response. The vehicle also includes modern conveniences such as air conditioning and an AM/FM CD audio system, ensuring a comfortable driving experience in various conditions. Recent maintenance includes new headers, a fresh exhaust system, a new master cylinder, and new tires mounted on stylish Challenger wheels. With strong mechanical condition and thoughtful upgrades throughout, this Dodge sedan runs well and is ready for the road. It is an excellent choice for enthusiasts seeking a classic car that combines vintage charm with modern usability and comfort. 11. 1932 Ford F-150 Short Bed. Price: $18,000. Located: Louisville, Kentucky. This 1932 Ford F-150 Short Bed is a custom hot rod truck that combines lightweight construction with strong performance and aggressive styling. Built with a fiberglass body, the truck benefits from reduced weight while maintaining the iconic early Ford truck appearance. The bright orange exterior gives it a bold presence, matched by a similarly themed interior that enhances its custom look. Power comes from a 350 small block Chevrolet engine paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission, delivering reliable performance and smooth operation. The drivetrain includes a 3.73 rear end and is supported by Willwood disc brakes, providing strong stopping power and improved safety. Additional performance components include a 600 CFM quick fuel carburetor and Sanderson headers, which enhance engine efficiency and sound. The truck rides on brand new tires and features unique details such as Harley-style exhaust tips, adding to its custom character. It also comes with extra parts, including an additional set of Hoosier tires and a radiator, giving the buyer added value and flexibility for future upgrades. With a significant amount of work already invested, this hot rod is a strong performer and a standout vehicle, ideal for enthusiasts looking for a lightweight, powerful, and visually striking classic truck.